So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to save drafts on TikTok. So the first thing you want to do is open up TikTok and from there find drafts you want to save. So let's just create a quick draft. So right now through that I've created a draft and you can see it's looking something like this. So it's called a draft. So all of your videos, content and stuff like that are going to be saved right here and I can open this draft right now. So let's do just that. So if I open this draft, you can see there's some of the things I can set up like edit, templates, text, stickers, effects, filters, add yours, as well as voice. And you can see right here the option save. If I click on this, and from there, if you click on save, it's going to be saved in the servers of TikTok. If you click on next, you can see here you can add a link who can see that only you, and that's important to add the only you part. And you can see the option in more options. So if I click on this, you can see allow comments, allow reuse of content, content disclosure, AI, allow high quality uploads, save to device. It says here your post will be saved to device unless a violation of community guidelines is found. So that means that after you are done with that, your post, after you post it, will be saved to your device as well. So you're gonna find it in your gallery. So that's about it. That's how you can actually save drafts. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on TikTok or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.